Today we're gonna go to Patong. We're gonna look for some clothes. We've got a couple errands to run, so I just spent the morning doing some work, working on some emails, and yeah. So this is a nice little view of the property. Can't even see if the camera would focus. See the mountain view right there. So weather is looking horrible as always, but that is Phuket. So what do you expect? So yeah, we're gonna go walk around. Just want to get out of the house for a bit, so we're gonna go walk around the area. See what's here. We're in a new place, so we'll go explore. So while we're here, I'm gonna try and find a hair shop, because my hair, I don't know what's happening to it, but it's going frizzy, and seems to be happening a lot now. So I don't know if it's the humidity here. Here's a quick look at my apartment. Look how nice it looks. Anyway, I'll check back in when I find something interesting, so we'll go look around. I stayed before in Boat Avenue, and it seemed, I don't know, it's like the town city. There was a lot of shops there. This place looks a little less, you know what I mean? There's a lot of free land, sort of to speak. But in Boat Avenue, it's really, there's a lot of apartments, a lot of buildings and stuff. But it's good, it's nice. I quite literally found the best hill to do hill sprints, right? Look how big that is. Right behind the trees you can still see. But yeah, so that's pretty disappointing, because I would have liked to do some hill sprints, but it's pretty raining, so I think we're gonna head home. I was supposed to meet my friend. We're gonna go to Patong. He wants to buy some stuff, and I want to try and get some stuff as well. So yeah, that's basically the plan for the day. I need to do a bit more work. No way, I think there's a Muay Thai gym here. That's crazy. Muay Thai at your door, the sign says. That's cool. Maybe I'd check them out. Problem is, I've still got 5 sessions to do at Bang Tao. I just haven't had time. I just haven't been able to sleep, which has really affected my performance. So it is what it is. This is it, man. Look at this place. already, and the place was really cool. So yeah, we're going back home now. So we're back here, and so we're going to some shopping center, which is apparently in Patong. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing some stuff. We're gonna get off the road because it's raining, and then we're gonna see you when we're inside the shopping center. Look at this stuff here. So we're coming to the shopping center. We're gonna shop around. Look, yeah, it's a really nice place. So we'll take a look around. So I don't even know where we are, but we're back at another market or something. Markets everywhere here. So we're in Prime Patong, right here, right next to Bangalore Road. We just went inside that shopping center. It's pretty cool, but now we're going to look for some place to eat. Let me guys give you a quick look at the sign real quick. So we've just done a bit of shopping, and now we're following the travel guide to a mystery location. So we're out here in Patong, mate. I was walking over to the beach. There's a cruise ship right in the background. So now we're trying to find the taxi. and all this traffic